Yo, what up? My name's Caponics. It's my one take entry. Yeah. Man, this is one take. I don't want no beef, but I eat the whole steak. These rappers all like frosted flakes. Don't need the tiger, they're tasting great. Watching out for these snakes. I'm a mongoose ripping off your face. Hard work beast, telling if talent doesn't work hard. Man, that shit's a waste. Take a mushroom till I see that trace of my life. There's no copy and paste. Talladega, nice type of race. I'm all the way up like a bob on a lake. Thinking at a high rate. Fuck boys make me irate. Eyes dilate. Who's gonna run this country? That's the debate. Never mind that, get a contact from the quarter stack. What's the quarterback? This, that, motor rat spraying like Raiden. Miles rained in this, that, motor combat. Gonna hit you like Jax. I'm blowing up like explosives on some bricks. Fire words, cinnamon, tic tac. You like a knick-knack, beware the dog, better get back. No focus, ADD to the max. Clock speed running, no time to relax. Broke fucks talk about they got sex. I struggle to get money, I stick with the facts. Now I'm about to have a daughter, so I promise to be on my grown shit like a butcher and cause a slaughter and take out every one of these imposters. Man, this is one take. Head and shoulders, no flakes. Matt Damon and Rounders playing for these high stakes. Grew up in Arizona, stayed on my 8-track like a loner. Now I'm living in Wyoming, but you know I still keep it dope like Homer. I'm up like I'm on 10 monsters. I see the field of dreams like Kevin Costner. Blueprint linguistics, check the roster, unidentify. Flying saucer, let it bang, I am your Faja. Breaking my back till I got bad posture. And I swear to God I'm sober, I suffer. Never gonna quit, that's why for 10 years I smoke these cigarettes. What's the catch? Living with no regrets and feeling all this stress. My brain is so complex, that's why I'm two people, Cody James and Caponics. My brain is spinning faster than Sonic. I'm the plague that's bubonic. Might get a little off topic, but I gotta keep it toxic till I get ejected from the cockpit. From being drunk and obnoxious, I'll never be cautious. Keep it malicious and start a mosh pit until I'm the last one standing in this fucking one take contest.